Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Scaleway for virtual private servers, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Scaleway website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button displayed on the home page. You'll be directed to the registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and confirm it in the next field. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Scaleway. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Scaleway website. Log in using your newly created credentials. You may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication process. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Scaleway dashboard. Locate the option for virtual private servers, often labeled as instances. Click on Create an Instance to begin setting up your virtual private server. Choose your desired server type based on your needs. Select the operating system you wish to install. Pick a server size that fits your requirements, considering performance and cost. Configure additional options like storage and networking settings. Review your selections for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Create or Launch button. The provisioning of your virtual private server will begin, which may take a few moments. Once the setup is complete, your VPS will be ready for use. You can access your server using SSH or through the Scaleway console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.